Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to bold text in a Facebook post or in a Facebook ad post. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about how you can format Facebook page and Facebook ad post, then check out our more detailed blog posts on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, where we also share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Facebook page marketing for absolutely free. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Facebook page followers, more organic reach, without running Facebook ads, then check out our Facebook page growth checklist that you can download from our website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com, since we are giving it away for free. Links to the 50-point checklist in the description below. So if we open a Facebook page and try to create a Facebook post by clicking here and add something here, what you can do in a Facebook group is to highlight the text, and then you can format, you can bold or italic the post text you have just written. But you cannot do this with a regular Facebook page post. However, there's a workaround I'm going to show you. So copy the post text you have just written, go to a website called LingoJam bold text generator. I'm going to link it in the description below, and all you have to do is paste the text here, and then this website will automatically transfer it to a lot of different kind of formatting. If you want to use the bold text, then you would copy that, go back to your Facebook post and paste it, and as now you can see, so this is now bolded text, and all you have to do is click on create post, and as you can see the post went live and it's bolded. This is how you can easily bold the text in a Facebook post. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook page growth checklist, so you can get the 50 checkpoints we use every time to 10x the number of followers of any Facebook page. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking in the description below, or search on Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com and add the query Facebook page growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, make sure to check out our Facebook page tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.